Upbeat music plays on-screen text. Buy Smart Steam Mop Showdown. Get ready for a steaming, hot showdown between two contenders that promise to make your floors sparkle and shine. Meet the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the Neugo Steam Mop. Both priced at $119, let's see which one can truly mop the floor with the competition. First up, we have cleaning power. The Schenley claims to have strong cleaning power, tackling dirt, grease, and mold with ease. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean quickly and effectively, especially on tiled floors. Meanwhile, the Neugo produces steam at a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for removing tough grime. Reviewers love its ability to penetrate deep into surfaces, ensuring no mess is left behind. So while both have their strengths, Neugo takes this round for its superior temperature. Next, we have the chemical-free lifestyle. The Schenley Steam Mop is ready to go in just 15 seconds with only tap water, earning praise for its eco-friendly design. Reviewers appreciate that they can clean without chemicals while still achieving great results. The Neugo also champions a chemical-free clean, but does it at a higher temperature, which adds an extra layer of cleaning power. Both products are winners in this category, but Neugo's heated approach gives it a slight edge. Moving on to accessories. The Schenley comes with 7-in-1 attachments, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. Reviewers love the different attachments that enhance its usability. However, the Neugo takes the lead with 10 accessories, including specialized tools for windows and ironing. Users appreciate the variety, and it's clear that Neugo wins this round for sheer variety. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. The Schenley is lightweight, flexible, and swivels 180 degrees, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Reviewers love its ease of use and quick heating time. The Neugo also shines here with an adjustable height feature and a long 23-foot cord, allowing for comfortable cleaning without bending down. Both products are user-friendly in their own quirky way, so this one's a tie. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers for the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner praise its effectiveness and ease of use, while the Neugo Steam Mop is lauded for its powerful cleaning ability and versatility. Each has its loyal fans. So there you have it, folks. The Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the Neugo Steam Mop go head-to-head, with Neugo taking the crown for cleaning power and accessories. But remember, the best mop is the one that fits your cleaning style. If you've enjoyed today's showdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more comparisons that keep your wallet happy and your home clean. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.